Calls the case, People versus Robert Lewis.
And then on behalf of the people.
Bridget Coons on behalf of Mr. Lewis, if you can't state your name for the record.
Robert James Lewis.
Thank you, sir. What are we doing?
Your Honor, this would be a plea to the added count of MDOP less than 200 with full restitution.
And the restitution in this case would be 175.
175. Sir, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name again, please.
Robert James Lewis.
All right, sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of malicious destruction of property less than 200. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property destroyed. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand?
Yes.
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You signed an advice of rights form today, is that correct?
I'm sorry, couldn't hear.
You signed an advice of rights form?
That was a signature. I just, yes.
All right. Any question regarding those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir, I'm not.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead to this charge?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, sir.
Doing this voluntarily
Yes, sir.
of your own free will
My own free will. Yes.
and because you believe that you're indeed guilty of this offense?
I am.
Yeah. All right. On July 9th, 2022, at the location of 6564 East Michigan Avenue, lot 27, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What'd you do on that date that makes you think that you're guilty regarding the property of an Ashley Louts?
I was intoxicated and threw the rest of my liquor bottle at her vehicle.
All right. You intentionally did that?
I intentionally did that, Your Honor.
All right. And was there damage caused to the vehicle?
Yes, it shattered, not shattered, but it cracked the windshield.
That's damage. Okay. All right. And you didn't have any property interest or other interest in that vehicle, did you?
No, Your Honor.
Or ownership interest? That wasn't yours at all.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, the people are satisfied.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and defendant is referred to probation for a pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing in this matter will be April 24th, 2024, 1 p.m.
Your Honor, can we actually get the May 8th date? He's not being held on this matter. He's waiting to get placed into a inpatient facility, and he's also working on out of county holds. But he specifically requested the May 8th date.
Why would I do that? So that he could be placed to treatment?
Well, so he can be released to treatment, but there's also felony matters, so he wants to resolve the felony matters before the sentencing on this case.
I don't see why that would make a difference, but May 8th, is that, well, the May 8th. Is that right? 8, 9 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. Across the case, People versus Tatiana Tedder.
Alexander on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Ms. Tedder. Please state your name.
Tatiana Tedder.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for final settlement. Get all necessary steps to ensure that the state is present today, however, they're not in attendance. As a result, we're unable to proceed on the 24-1-0215.
Move to dismiss.
And is in that case, people being unable to proceed, that case is dismissed. That's without prejudice. All right, what about the other matter?
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Your Honor, we reached a resolution that case. Assistant prosecutor, Morgan Rose, on behalf of the people, as to matter 2110934, the offer has been extended for the defendant to plead to an added count 2 of no ops on her person in exchange count 1 would be.
And Ms. Tedder would like to accept that deal.
Ma'am, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
State your name again for the record.
Tatiana Tedder.
All right, ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of no valid operator's license on person. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $100 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes,
Understanding all of that, you still wish to plead guilty?
yes,
And to that charge, how do you plead?
guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes,
All right. Had you signed an advice of rights form or no? You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
yes,
Any question regarding any of those rights?
no,
Please look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
yes,
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
Yes, I am on probation.
Okay, were you on probation on August 20th, 2021?
No,
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
no,
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
no,
You're doing this voluntarily
yes,
of your own free will?
yes,
And because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
yes,
Okay, let's see what you did. August 20th, 2021. Eastbound I-94, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Were you operating a motor vehicle?
yes,
Did you get stopped by the police?
yes,
Did the police request a driver's license?
yes,
Were you unable to provide them a valid driver's license?
yes, I was unable to.
Okay, you shook your head, but you meant, yes, you were unable.
Yeah, I was unable to. I'm
All
sorry.
right. No, it's okay. It's okay. You didn't know, but then said yes. So I just want to make sure. All right, counsel, have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
No,
Sure.
yeah, I'm positive.
Is this the first time you've been here, like actually in person?
No, I was just here in person.
At our last
We're
settlement.
at the last one? Okay, all right. Because I'm usually, she's usually on the screen.
And I was here at the wrong time.
Fines and costs of $250. When can you get that paid?
Well, I'm currently right now like on a paying for something else too. So is there any way that I can?
Hold on,
pay,
hold on, slow down. Where are you? You got a payment plan?
Yeah,
This court?
I think it's like
Who's the
downtown
judge?
Ann Arbor. Or is that something different? It's like down,
15th district
yeah,
with Judge Valvo or Judge Perry.
I think Velvo.
Okay, I can't do that because that's a separate court.
Okay,
But what's your payment plan that you have with them?
I just pay like $100 a month, but I should be,
Okay,
I get paid in
hold
like
on.
2 weeks. So,
Hold on,
okay.
all right. How long does that payment plan last?
Well, that's what I'm on probation for. So,
Okay, so it's gonna be a while.
yeah.
Okay, so how much can you pay in addition to paying that $100 per month?
I could try to do like 150, 200. Because I'm not gonna be working here shortly, so.
She's 6 months pregnant. Baby's due in June.
Yeah, in June.
First, second, third,
This is my third kid.
okay.
Too many.
Okay, whoa, you didn't have that reaction, but okay. All right. So at least through June, you're gonna be paying that $100 per month,
Yeah,
and then you're gonna have to stop working. And then
Correct.
how are you gonna get this paid? You don't know.
My boyfriend works, so he has a pretty decent job, so I'm gonna have to just talk to him when he get out of work.
And
And
what if he says no?
he's gonna say yes.
Oh. Okay. I might have to stick up for him. I don't know. That wasn't even a question. She's like, Judge, I don't know why you're asking. Here's what I'll do. Give you a little bit of a reprieve. I'm gonna waive $100 of that, so it's gonna be $150 fine and cost, okay?
Okay,
And then let's do it this way. $50 per month. I'll start that. What day are you due?
June 14th.
14th?
Yeah.
All right, so let's do it this way. $50 per month, starting July 31st. So worry about the important thing and having a healthy baby, and then we'll worry about us. How about that? All right. And that way you don't have to go yell at him and tell him he's gonna do something.
Right.
All right. Okay, thank you.